What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again. In this video, I am going to invest $9,000 with Apple. The interesting part is I'm in my car, but I'm not at home, so I couldn't make it on my actual computer and all that good stuff. But I did want to purchase with Apple today because I saw an opportunity because the stock is down $5 today, and that is huge. So I said, you know what, let me grab some more shares of Apple. So once again, in this video, I'm going to be buying $9,000 worth of shares with Apple, and I'm going to show you guys adding money to my Robinhood account as well as making the purchase. Right now, the market is closed, but I think I can still purchase. And so I wanted to just show you guys me capitalizing on this particular moment. All right. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey. And on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so I've had quite a bit of shares with Apple. I have 564 shares, I think. And I really should have gotten a lot more shares with them, especially when it was lower. I think my average cost per share is like $124.25. Right now, Apple's like $149 because there was some bad news. And so that was the catalyst to kind of help Apple go down $5 today. So I still think Apple's expensive, but I don't want to miss this opportunity to possibly grab some more shares at a $5 discount. So I'm gonna be buying some more shares. What I will do is I'm gonna start a screen recording real quick, and I'll show you guys that on my phone. And then of course, I will jump back on here. Okay, guys, so I'm here on the iPhone here, and I just couldn't refuse the opportunity to grab some more shares, even though it's after hours and the market's closed, but I will still be able to grab some shares because I have Robinhood Gold. So I'm going to jump into my Robinhood account. All right, we got the screen, Face ID. Of course, you guys can see Apple is down $5 today. If I click on the 3-month marker, you'll see that like Apple hasn't really gone down $5 or more than $5 at any particular time this month. Like if I, not this month, the last 3 months. So if I put the marker here, you see 149, and then it went down to 142. That's more than $5, but it was over several days. So I don't want to miss the opportunity to grab some shares right now. Then here you can see it was 148 here, and then the next couple of days it was 144. So that's like a $3-4 uh, change as far as going down. 151 here, and then of course 146. So that's $5 ish. So I think, well, let me grab some shares. I'm going to grab some more shares. So as you can see right now, my position with Apple, I have 564 shares, and today it's down negative $2,800. And so I'm not really worried about that. I just want to get more shares of Apple because my return so far in 1 year has been over 18%. You're looking at it right here on the screen, 19%, right? Okay, so I'm going to add money to my account right now. Okay, so I clicked on my little profile at the bottom. I think I need to touch one of these things up top. Okay, great. Then let's do transfers. They've even changed it since the last time I made a transfer. So we'll do transfers, and we're gonna transfer to Robinhood. Okay, so I'm gonna transfer $9,001 because I need to have $5 in my account for Robinhood to take out Robinhood Gold, and right now my balance is $4.91. So I'm just gonna do this, and of course Robinhood is gonna make the money available to me right now because I do have Robinhood Gold. So I'll hit submit, and then of course it's going to tell me that they're going to complete the deposit by September the 16th. I'll hit continue, and here we go, instant deposits. So the reason why I have the instant deposit or Robinhood is spotting me the money is because once you have at least $50,000 invested in Robinhood, and if you have Robinhood Gold, they will spot you up to $50,000. So I do have the money in my account. So now I'm going to click on done because I'm done with that, and then I'll go back. And so we're in here with Apple, and it's trading for right now 149.06. So I'm going to go ahead and click on trade, and then I'm going to click on buy, and I'm just going to buy dollars, not a dollars. I'm going to buy in terms of dollars. I'm not going to buy in terms of shares. At the top right of the screen, you can see the word dollars. If I touch on that, you can see that you can buy in shares, and then you can do different types of order. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave it on dollars, and I'm going to do a market buy or market order. So I'm going to enter $9,000. Okay. And then I'll click on review, and then I'll swipe up, and I think this order is going to get filled. Yes, it got filled. So as you guys can see here, it's been completed right here on the screen. So it says that I just, my market buy of $9,000 with Apple is complete. I grabbed 60.37 shares, and my average cost per share is 149.07. Now, my cost per shares were 124.25. I'm sure that's going to make my average cost go up. So let's check. Now my average cost per share is 126 and 64 cents. Okay. One of the main reasons why I decided to jump on this particular opportunity is because in the last 5 years, Apple has gone up 453% as of today, like as of right now, this minute. So what that means is if you had $1,000 invested with Apple 5 years ago, for doing absolutely nothing, your $1,000 right now would be worth $5,530 right now as of the making of this particular video. Apple is a very, very important company, and a lot of ETFs and index funds has Apple as their number one company out of the top 10 holdings. So anyway, I just wanted to once again make this video to show you guys that I grabbed some more shares with Apple. So now my overall money that I've invested in the stock market has gone up. If I show you guys here, as of March, basically not March, May, as of May 2020, I have invested now $241,000 into the stock market. And since then, I'm basically up almost $1,000, but all time on Robinhood, I'm down still $3,700. I was up, but of course, you know, the stock market, you're up and you're down. But my overall projection is going up. So anyway, like I said, I wanted to show you guys me grabbing some more shares of Apple. All right, I'll see you guys back in the video in 1 second. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Once again, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. All right, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.